From the faculty of the Institute for Intelligent Systems Research and Innovation, with the thesis titled Optimally Designed High G Centrifuge System, would you please welcome Asher Charles Winter.
Do you have what it takes to be a fighter pilot? To perform combat maneuvers that will take you to the edge of your physical limitations. As the turns get harder, the force of gravity on your body increases exponentially. It forces the blood in your brain to flow to your feet. Your skull will crush into your spine. Your lungs will explode as if an elephant is sitting on your chest. You'll fight with all your might, just not to faint. Those were lines from the second Top Gun film. They may sound far-fetched, but they are very real for fighter pilots. G's, or G-force, is the measure of force with respect to gravity. High G-forces, commonly experienced by fighter pilots, can overcome your heart's ability to pump blood upwards, depriving your head of blood. And without blood, your brain cannot function. So what can we do? There are countermeasures such as flight suits, breathing apparatus, and muscle tensioning techniques. They are effective, but they do not negate the risk or occurrence of the detrimental effects caused by G-forces. So, countermeasures are not enough. G-force is an occupational hazard, but it doesn't mean that we can't prepare for it, train for it. However, initial training in an aircraft poses serious risk in addition to large operational costs. That's where Motion Simulator comes in. They provide a safe and reliable environment for training. Human centrifuges are one such environment. They focus on generating high G-forces akin to an aircraft. Unfortunately, Australia doesn't have one. My research is on the optimization of centrifuge design and motion to best replicate aircraft G-forces. Due to the method of motion and physical limitations, centrifuges cannot perform one-to-one the exact multi-directional G-force and motion of an aircraft. And there are always compromises in motion and design, so which one should be made? To tackle this quest, I need to first become highly caffeinated, then analyze the direction and magnitude of aircraft G-forces, gathering data to replicate in a centrifuge. Then begins designing the centrifuge and simulation and experimentation in the Deakin centrifuge to investigate the resulting forces and how they affect the human body. Based on the results, I'll flip-flop between design optimization and simulation till I found the one to rule them all, the optimal high-G centrifuge system. Through my research, we can produce the best centrifuge design to train Australians to withstand high G-forces, to train them to have what it takes to be a fighter pilot.